Don't ask me no questions right now. Thursday, February 9th, MOJO Day Trading show. And we're going to talk about the importance of a routine as we're trading Twilo and UVXY. So we're right in those two babies right now. Twilo's a brand new trade. We're getting up right here. It's a little overextended, but I think it makes a move through the high right here on Twilo. Here's the MOJO Day Trade room, everybody. I got live screen share happening right now. There's the room, shakalaka. Got the screen action. Everyone's watching that on YouTube. Everyone hears me. Everyone sees my screen right here, live in the room. Real time, right to the second. On YouTube, that's why I don't do the YouTube videos anymore for the live screen share, because it's delayed. Right now at 11:06:17, my subscribers see that screen share at exactly that time. Someone's trying to call me. I don't need that. So right there, you can see that screen share is delayed right there. So I'll show you what we did for the room today. Wasn't a stellar day. It was one of the normal routine days. Got a little crazy alien happening. All right, signals now. We did a great trade on BIOC earlier, BIOC. Here we go, new high. Here we go. So first trade of the day, and here's BIOC right here at 81 cents. You can see it right here. This was the swing pick with all the characteristics of Ken Slim, C in the A, the N, the SLIM with the 1-2 chopper on a double bottom on that right there. That's the example of a double bottom right there. So I'm gonna just make a note of that. This is my BIOC double bottom. I'm gonna add that to the class on what a double bottom is and how it's up 100% since that in a very short period of time. And that's the BIOC, 100%. Here's another one right here, same pick and same pattern on XG Technologies. And this one too, tremendous winners. All right, here we go. They're gonna penny pinch 37.38. And then we nailed BIOC. And we nailed UV, we've been trading all day. ETRM, we lost nothing on. Someone shorted against us on ETRM on the first pick. So beware, we have a shorter in the room against that. SKYS is my swing pick right here at 286. SKYS swing pick is right here. This is the swing pick that was sent out for swing trade people at $2.08 per share, along with Sun Edison RGSE pre-split at 23 cents. Here's the image on that right here. Sky Solar, 4 great quarters, C, the A, the N, bottom bouncer base at 208. That was the trade on that, real nice. And that was SKYS. And here's actually the swing. I'll show you, these were the actual swing picks. So if you come back here, here's the actual swing pick from 2 weeks ago. The swing newsletter on January 2nd, right there. Swing newsletter on January 22nd, right there. Sky Solar at 208. Proof in the pudding, folks. You want another one? SPI. And the other one, Real Good Solar at 23 cents. Pre-split. Why did I pick that pre-split? Because look what happened to GEVO after it split. Look what happened to after XGTI after it split. Okay? Amazing. So all these were the swing picks that worked out real nice. Real nice. Here's the January 29th. LTRX made a huge move. ESES made a huge move. PLX made a huge move. Look, 62 cents. PLX, look, they all made huge moves. PLX is 83 right now. 83 from 62. Coming out of my channel base with the CDA, the N, the S, the LIM. Right here. Here's another one. Here's 51 cents. We bought this thing right down here on the dip. Very low risk reward on COYN. Right here, it's at 49 cents right now. Hasn't really made its move yet. That's one that's still open right there for you guys. See that? And then we've got this one right here, ADHD, at $1.12. New swing pick. Did you guys anybody get that in the swing? ADHD is $1.19. You look at it right here, stock just went up to $1.44 where we sold it. It's a ching ching in the shakalaka bing. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So listen, don't ask me no questions. Alright, so the friends I got are right here in my room. Okay, so let's jump to the present right here. Awesome picks that are happening. And what I'd like to show you is we traded UVXY 17 times today for a dime. It all adds up. Traded a bunch of stocks today. Any walkers we have in the room right now? One, Retro Places. Let's say hello to them. See, this is the people that watch my show. Watch, this is Retro Places. Hey, speaking to you again for the 9th time. See if he answers me. Don't make me do it, dude. Don't make me do it. Listen, don't make me do it, man. And his name is... Gonzalez. He's a MOJO trader. He must be a MOJO trader. He must be. Trader Gonzalez down there. See, he's another walker. He's either walker or he's got some big balls to call himself Trader Gonzalez and come in my room like that. Because he ain't no trader yet. You a MOJO sub? He's answering, so he must know what he's doing. He's not a tartar. Is he? Is he? Is he, guys?
Maybe.
Really?
That's a firm maybe.
Really, Carol?
Maybe.
You think so, Gerardo?
M-A-Y-B-E. Let's go with maybe.
Ooh, you just signed up today? Let me see. It's Juan! Yo, boy! He's back. It's Juan. And dude, you ain't Mr. You ain't regular, dude. You're pro trader. You took MOJO U, didn't you? I think you took MOJO U. Let's get him in. Let's get him into the chat, Ski. Can't hear me? Now you can, dude. Yo, yo, yo! Trader Gonzalez. This guy. See if I can move him. Nah, I couldn't move him. Where is that guy just moved up here? Retro Places. Can I move him? Nah, let's just kick him. Hey, Retro Places. Banning you. See ya. I know you're in, dude. What's up? Welcome back. How long you been with MOJO? How many years? How many years? Couple? On and off, back and forth? Just whatever you do, man. I appreciate your business, but don't ask me no questions. How come there's two Trader Gonzalez's? What's going on? How'd you get your picture? Oh, you changed your picture already? Damn, he's quick. About a year and a half on and off. Dude, you're quick as could be. I can't even see your picture. What is it? It's it's Brady. I'll give you a better one than that. Patriots? Dude. Just come see the Mojo you want to pick. Didn't you take Mojo U? Did you take Mojo U? No. You didn't. No, you didn't. I just looked. But I'll give you a good avatar. Patriots helmet. A real good one. Cause I appreciate your business and so I'm gonna make my boy right now, cause he's new to the room. So he's gonna get a Patriots helmet right here. And it's gonna be nice because yeah, this is a hard one to do. I'll do it for you later. Let me see if I have a Patriots logo. Yeah, that's better. Let's see if this worked for you now, buddy. See, I hooked you up. Because you came new back to the room. So we nailed an unbelievable stock that went parabolic, an ETF. It went way, way more than we wanted, than we expected. And look at that bottom support right there on the 2 days. Kind of like what UVXY may do right here. If we can get a power move with the market correction on a big down day, down 100 or 2. So let me show you what JDST did on the 5-minute. Look at this parabolic move. We traded it right through here, and then we got out. And then look at that double parabolic 5-minute move up on the rail ground. We got out right there on STO rail, and then it freaking cocooned. You know what I'm saying? $33.75 now, new high on Twilo. It's going to 34. Be patient. You're in rail grind. Just keep it up there. This is a perfect example of rail grind. 2 of them I'm adding now to the courses. This is a rail grind on the Twilo play. I'll add this video right here because you're in a rail grind. Major move right here. That's how you do a major move. Just like that. So I'm going to put this in the Mojo U toolbox. Right there, because it's a rail. That's a perfect rail. Right there. And I mean by rail grinding, snowboarding on a rail. That's what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, you come take Mojo U, or you can actually come check it out in my courses and my program that I just built. Which is right here, and let's see, it's the Stock Market Education Learning Center, Wealthvestor, and you have these courses, getting started in the stock market, I'm already enrolled in the course. So these are the courses right here. I added this new one, stock trading platforms, right here. So trading platforms, here's one right there. Here's a Sterling Pro, the real tick, mobile solutions. What's the difference between a stop and a limit order? Nice video right there. And then you have another one. So we go back, let's complete and continue. Complete. How to buy stocks like 9 tips to buy stocks like a pro right here. See? Really good one. What's a stop loss order right there? Really good ones. The history of the stock exchange and the Dow Jones with some great videos on all these. The financial industry right here. Investors right there. What's a brokerage company right there? And there's a quiz right there. See? What stocks to buy. Using news to buy a stock. What's a market cap? What's a PE? All this, investing in IPOs, all this great stuff, guys. So that's this one, getting started. And then you have investment strategies right here, this course, where you have 5 types of investment strategies. I'll show you what like this looks like, income growth and all that. How to choose an investment strategy that's right for you. Great video there I made as well for you. Some really nice course, some quizzes there, another quiz there, another quiz there, another quiz there, another quiz there. Here's a scammer case study right here. Guy pump and dumps. What's front running? What's front running, huh? Nice. In the context of stock trading, front running is the practice of when your moderator buys the stock in front of you and then tells you to buy it, and he sells it for a profit, which is something we don't do, which is what we were just talking about right here. It's easy to get into a routine when there's not a lot of fluctuation and variance on a daily basis. We do the same thing every day. That's the benefit of the MOJO Day Trade Room. Consistent action, walking up the block, then down the same block. Every time we trade a stock, we're not surrounded and crowded by hundreds of traders, all wanting the same stock pick at the same price and flooding it with shares. And the kicker, the moderator has already gotten into that stock several minutes earlier and is front running your ass. That's the difference of the MOJO Day Trade Room. Because I recommended right after that, Twilo, to get into Twilo, okay? And look at Twilo. And that's the MOJO course. So if you want to take this course, you'll come right there to mojodaytrading.com and you'll sign up for that course. The course is right here on the home page. If you come right here and you click the top, yes, I want to become a wealthy investor, or you go into the menu on the tab under Wealth Investor, you'll get to the page. And when you get to the page, you can get all these videos for $1 each, all these courses. All the courses are $1 each. You have all of understanding mutual funds, understanding your taxes, each of the what they're called profit systems. Every week a new profit system is going to come out. There's over 30 of them in all. Okay, and then there's other courses as well that you can take within your dashboard. They're each $1. When you join the Wealth Investor, you're on a subscription. It costs $0 the first month because you're getting them all for $1. Then it turns to $95 a month. Okay, here's the situation. Let me show you. So everything that's included in your membership individually, right now the 5 profit systems I have, you're getting today. The new profit systems you'll be getting, there's 30 of them in all. The Pro Trader success stories, the case studies, the investor community, and everything else that you're going to be getting, you'd pay over $4,000. With Wealth Investor, we've made it affordable. At $95, you can cancel any time. That's enough to cover our technology, as the dollar is a gift to get you started. Pay our wealth traders, they're not really that cheap, and turn a profit, but that's not really what's going on for $1. But as you know, It's not why you're investing. For a limited time, we want you to try Wealth Vester for the next 30 days for $1 each. How it works is you enroll in your first class. You start studying and watching the courses. You'll get an email request from PayPal for your monthly subscription. Once your subscription starts, you'll get a complimentary subscription to the MOJO Day Trade room. So we basically made it affordable for you to succeed. Once your subscription turns to $95, you're going to get a subscription to the MOJO Day Trade room, which is $99. So basically, you got educated for free. You get the best of both worlds. And you have a 30-day money day guarantee. If you're not happy within 30 days and you spent $1, I'll refund your $1. I want to see who has the nuts and the kahunas to come and ask for their $1 back. You know that? Because is it really $1? Yes, we removed all the barriers. What happens? After 30 days, it goes to $95. The courses, they're all $1, but not the master's course. And the new courses I add every week. Got the stock market, building your portfolio. They're all $1. Get them now for $1. That's what you do. Get educated. They're awesome courses. Okay? Did a little walk away on UV. It didn't do anything. All right. Twilo's 87 now, 88 new high, and BIOC is coming down to a support base. I don't think it's going to come down because it's traded 9 million. It may go to the 202. So it's just weak and we won't play it. And just stay in what we do during the show. $88. Started the first class last night. It's awesome. Nice. Here we go. Twilo's Heinzing. Big rail grind up at the top. You're at the double black diamond up at the top. Got a lot of room up here on that rail. Real easy rail to ride. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about with the rail grind, you missed that opportunity in Mojo University. The next class actually for Mojo U, I'm doing one at the end of the month. It's right here. Let me show you. 94.
And his name is John C.
Cena's in the house, boys. 94. Come on, baby. Rip it. Take it, take it, take it. Did you know with the help of a mentor, coach, and caddy, you can make the trading game easier for you? When the game gets easier, the results get better and more consistent. Be patient and watch the Mojo style, how we scale in and out of trades and properly get the best cost average. I like to buy 3 times for every trade, so you should wait until my second or third entry to start your position. If I tell you just to buy it, I'll put it in a limit higher than the current price and tell you just to buy it. When we sell it, tell you to sell it and how many shares we're selling. If we sell once, never let the second sale go lower than the first, like you're doing on Twilo. See what it does here. $91. Come on. We know Mojo University produces the best traders, and Cobra agrees. Cobra's willing to give you a 25% savings on your commissions towards the purchase of a Mojo Day Trade Room annual membership, the annual swing, the university course, or the master's course. A lot of people switching over to Cobra is really nice. Cobra Trading is doing really well for Mojo traders. So it's, you know, you're getting your education paid for generously by Mojo partners. Next class is the end of February. You guys want to get in, you can contact me. Who the pro traders are in the room, right above you, see them, 52 pro traders. They've all been enabled with a game plan for $1 million in trading profits. Okay, with the tools. They've either paid their trading tuition by losing big, or they decided to come and get educated before they lost big. Viviane, she's my lady. Viviane, where are you from? See, I'm worldwide. She's not from the US. Boytronic, she likes that. She likes Boytronic. Where you from, Viviane? You switched, waiting for your funds to transfer? Beautiful, Boyd. She's not even in the chat. How come she ain't in the chat? How come she ain't in the chat? I wonder. Join me on the chat. Nice avatar, Trader Gonzalez. Welcome to the room. Nice, buddy. Nice, sold. 19, mama. Yeah, boy. See, Mojo. When you get the Mojo and you're in a freaking rail grind, there ain't nothing better than that. There ain't nothing better than that. It's how you rail grind from 33.75 to 34.20. Picture perfect. Picture perfect, baby. Anyone get the 24? Alan, did you get 34.24? Was that you? She's from Belgium. Ooh. You gotta love Belgium. Where's the flag? I don't mean, they have a flag for Belgium? What's the flag for Belgium? Where's the flag? Great Britain. VL. Let's see what the flag is. It's this one right here. Where is it? Here it is. What happened? There's the flag. Let's keep it above 34. All right, guys, I'm flat. That's how we do the show. That's how you learn. That's how you make money. I told you Biok was coming down to 2. I told you. I saved your behinds because you'd be in that one and you would have missed Twilo. Am I correct? Am I correct? That's the difference. Okay? Now, I don't have the largest day trade room, but I do have the most profitable because my traders, they don't lose. I read about the other moderator. Yeah, the guy who turned $580 into $25,000. He made $12,000 or $14,000 one day on RGSE, but he lost $13,000 the next day trading that stock. My traders will never ever, that would wipe people out on one trade immediately. And he don't care because he's got thousands of people. And then they join my room and then they watch him put up that shizzle dizzle and they get all pissed off and bent out of shape. Can't do that. Worry about yourself. Worry about your own trading. Don't look at nobody else's accounts. Don't look at nobody else's trading. That's how you got to do it. That's how you got to do it. So let's see here. I got the Biok double bottom. Got some scanners going. Here's some scanners, some bullish stock on Finnel moving up 20. High unusual social mentions on Willen right here. Let me put in a volume column so I can configure. Let me see if I can. Nah. So let's see this one. Bullish FET New Link Genetics L. Let's look at these WILN and LNK. WILN. It did move up. And what was that other one? L Bio. Moving up fast. Let's see what that one says. Is it? No, it's not. It's only got traded 76,000. I'm in UV. That's going to move up fast. So let's see what else they got on that scan. Otherwise, I got to set that scan. This scan's got to be set right here to volume. See if I could set it to volume. Configure. I don't know. Properties. Actions. Nope. Well. Bullish stock under 20 moving up fast. Gotta have a volume action. Relative volume. What the hell's that? Cross below 200. It's a pretty good, cool scanner how they do that. Speed. Isn't what it goes with. Biggest pullbacks. Another one you have biggest bouncers, most unusual volume, and a volume radar. The smallest price is 20 bucks. That's nice. Here's Vince. Perry 227 LLNW. That's nice. That's nice. Alright. Scanners are junk. Only scanner I use is my eye. And a little UV. We're gonna get paid now on UV. What's your averages? Anybody own it under 23? I knew you were. I knew it, dude. I couldn't do it. I knew it. I knew it. Dow's up 125. Amazing. Do 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 do. All right, nothing's really happening. I'm trying to make a do, blah blah blah. Nothing's happening. Let me show you. Want to see Remy? Dude, Remy is getting so big. Remy! Remmer! He's a hot dog. He's a hot dog. Like that. See? He's a hot dog. Alan's a machine, dude. He is a machine. Join with a code. Yo, boys. We got a new walker in the room. Who are you? Oh, no, that's Sam. Code's Mojo, buddy. Code is Mojo. To join me on the screen, the Mojo screen share. Let me know when you get in, Mr. Sam. Welcome, new trader. Brilliant. You are brilliant, Vane. You are brilliant. See? I got the love in my eyes. The little boo-boo. Bounce right off that 201 signal on that freaking Bioc. That's pretty much it. Alan's already gone. Should be the Mojo tune. Oh yeah, for sure. Alright, Alan's already done for the day. That means we gotta go follow his trail. And we're gonna be done for the day too. Because that's what we do.